In VCF 9, we have consolidated many of the deployment, configuration, and management workflows that cloud administrators use to run their private clouds. The new fleet concept aggregates multiple VCF instances and associated management components into a single entity. VCF Operations 9 is now the primary interface for all private cloud operations. The all-new single sign-on service integrates seamlessly with all VCF components so admins can log in with their own unique credentials. It supports a wide range of identity providers and modern protocols like OpenID Connect as well as traditional LDAP. It also works with VCF operations and VCF automation, and configuration takes just a few clicks. It's a good security practice to not share privileged accounts because it is difficult to track and audit activities. Once SSO is enabled and private cloud admins have their own credentials, you can easily change the local admin account passwords to prevent everyday use or sharing. VCF 9 makes certificate management for your private cloud easier than ever. You can configure an external Microsoft CA service or use a built-in CA to issue certs automatically, reducing manual steps and potential for error. You can now manage ESX host certificates directly from operations, just like the other components. Create a CSR and then generate and install the certificate. When admins log into web management consoles that use self-signed certificates, it creates a risky practice if they grow accustomed to dismissing browser security warnings. This is why signed HTTPS certificates are crucial for secure private cloud operations. Certificates have an expiration date, and you don't want that to be a surprise. VCF 9 now features auto-renew as well as alerts integrated into operations. Auto-renew is also complemented by a new non-disruptive cert replacement capability that really cuts down on the time needed to perform this operation. VCF 9 connects to an online or offline depot, so it's easy to ensure the correct binaries are used when patching and updating. No need to manually download and copy updates for VCF infrastructure or management components. When a new patch is available, a wizard makes it easy for admins to plan and customize an update to infrastructure. There are tightly integrated verifications to ensure compatibility with the existing environment. Once the update has been planned, private cloud admins then configure the operation. They can select one or more clusters and designate a VLCM image that will apply to the ESX cluster. Live Patch uses the new partial maintenance mode to minimize disruption to the cluster. VMs do not evacuate and hosts do not need to reboot for compatible patches. Updates can be scheduled for an upcoming maintenance window or started immediately, depending on business needs. While the update is in operation, you can monitor the progress. To see the individual update activities, you can easily log into vCenter with SSO. Notice that the hosts are not going into traditional maintenance mode, and they do not reboot, which can be confirmed by noting the uptime metric for each host. This is a huge time savings for private cloud operations. When the operation is finished, you can see the current ESX version info to confirm that the intended live patch has been applied. The graphical interface of VCF operations makes fleet management tasks easy, but for more advanced deployments where scale and automation are important, these workflows can also be triggered by API. In the Developer Center, the DevOps team can use the API Explorer to find and learn how to use different API calls. For example, the REST API for updating hosts uses the upgrades endpoint, and it can be integrated into a variety of automation workflows.